Overall scheme layout as shown in the figure. Intelligent warehouses are deployed in the connecting corridors of each building, corresponding to the line-side warehouses of buildings C, E, G, and H, respectively. CTU outbound to the manual sorting station. Operators pick materials according to the work order and place them on the feeding port belt. Materials in the rack area are transported by the hand truck to the automatic feeding port. Manipulator automatically feeds materials. Bagged materials with pallets are placed by operators onto the feeding port belt. Materials from different areas converge. The camera takes photos of and reads barcodes on materials to determine the material diversion direction. Material trays requiring tray combining, material cutting are diverted to the corresponding areas. Processed material trays converge with materials in the rack area and are then conveyed together. Bagged materials with pallets are transported by the robotic arm to the intelligent material cart. By transporting fixtures and material carts via AGVS, material transportation between the sorting and conveying system and the intelligent warehouses of each building is realized. Bare material trays are then conveyed to the bare tray packing port. Manipulators automatically clamp materials to the bare tray fixtures. Latent AGVS take away the fixtures. Animation process of HEC, intelligent warehouses. Latent AGVS transport the fixtures to the intelligent warehouse. Manipulator automatically feeds materials. Robotic arms automatically place materials to the system-assigned storage locations. Robotic arms take out materials according to the outbound order. Latent AGVS transport empty boxes to the empty box AGV docking port. Outbound material trays are sorted according to work orders and conveyed to the corresponding packing ports. 4-axis robotic arms pick up materials and pack them. Empty pallets are then conveyed to the empty pallet packing port. 4-axis robotic arms pick up empty pallets and pack them into boxes. After the empty pallets are fully packed, they are transported to the CTU warehouse sorting station. Animation process of G, intelligent warehouses. The warehouse capacity is designed for an 18-hour inventory, with material preparation and distribution carried out at a frequency of once every 0.5 hours per production line.